In this video, I'll show you how to fix errors in Bolt.New. First, open your web browser, go to the Bolt.New website, and sign into your account. Then open the project that's showing an error. Next, read the error message carefully. The error message usually tells you which file or line of code is causing the problem. Take a moment to understand the issue before making any changes. Now, use the Bolt.New chat to describe the error. You can paste the error message and ask Bolt.New to explain what it means and fix it. Bolt.New will analyze the issue, update the code, and suggest a solution automatically. After that, review the changes that Bolt.New made and test your application again. If the error still appears, continue the conversation by asking Bolt.New to try a different solution or explain why the problem is happening. You can also edit the code manually if you prefer and then test the app again. Finally, once the error has been fixed, test all of your app's main features to make sure everything is working correctly and that no new issues were introduced. When you're satisfied with the results, save your changes and deploy the updated version of your app. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to fix errors in Bolt.New. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.